April 8th. I just ordered breakfast, so that was less than 300. That's 3 eggs, like chai somewhere here, like idli and masala dosa. Less than 300 with delivery. This was separate. Yo, so got a room upgrade for the same price. It looks way better. Like, has a whole kitchen. Way bigger also. So I'm paying 1,000 per night plus electricity. It's like 1 kilowatt, 10 rupees. Yo, so I'm gonna go take the scooter, like take a ride and all that. I'm gonna go explore the city a little bit. It's quite hard to get a ride from here. Maybe tuk-tuk or taxi would be easier. Yeah, I'm living in a good neighborhood. There's a lot of security. You know, that house looks very nice. Yeah, could kinda even just, you know, chill and do nothing today. Like that ride, like I think it was 11 hours, yeah. Yeah, so I went to bed like 12, woke up maybe 7. Yeah, so tomorrow, I mean yesterday, was like 16 or 17 hours online. So yeah, but it's cool. Yeah, okay, let's wait for the taxi, and I'm going to this place, to this palace where queens and princesses used to look at the parades and like festivals. It's called Hawa Mahal. Oh man, the driver doesn't have any more fuel. We're like walking to the gas station. Yeah, probably completely his bike broke down because he's not coming back. And also I can cancel like Ola. It's like ongoing ride. Yo, so I'm close to Hawa Mahal.
चलो
Yo, so this is it. This is the place. Like queens or princesses used to look at parades here or something, like from them windows. It's like a palace. Hawa Mahal. Yeah, looks cool. Looks cool. All the things are like kind of pink, kind of light pink. Yeah, it looks kind of better from here. Yeah, you can go inside for 50 rupees, I think. So yeah, so far the city for me looks very unique. I see tourists also. Probably they are doing the Golden Triangle, you know, Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. Yeah, the colors are nice. They're, like I said, they're not quite pink. They're more like pink brown or something, you know, but still very cool to see. A lot of sellers here. Yeah, the traffic is less. Like here is way less. Yeah, a lot of souvenirs. Streets get quite clean. Another palace, I don't know. There's like a lot of palaces and forts here. Oh, fireworks. Looks like 2-inch shells. Yo, so they said they have like 6-inch shells here. That's like completely illegal in Europe unless you have like a license. Look at that, like crazy. Yeah, I've seen some displays in Shivakasi. Yeah. Some kind of lassi shop close by. The prices looks good. Like, boom, 35. Let's put in nuts here or something else. Yo, just had lunch. Walking around, it's 1 p.m. and there is like the city palace close by. I don't know. Should visit, but kind of feel lazy to walk around there. I don't know what actually to do. I feel like just walking, exploring. Probably gonna head home like a little bit sooner. Not gonna stay too long. Yo, this looks way more authentic. Yo, so I'm somewhere close to City Palace. Yo, so this is probably Jaipur City Palace.
And you know that roof outside, when you look inside, you can see inside.
Yeah, so
that is 4,000 rupees. Half tour is 2,000.
it's 1,000.
Already half tour.
composite ticket, like courtyard galleries, 1,250. Museum, I don't know. Let's just go. Yeah, if I go to, no, probably not today. Like, get some more rest, enjoy it. Also, I can go to Delhi for 1,000 with the good bus. Like, yeah, okay. Oh, so some goats, some pigeons, some monkeys, a whole fauna here, whole zoo. So this is that Mahal place that we saw and first they have. So this is the entrance. It's 200. So just ordered some food. Like didn't even need to go nowhere. Like it took only like 10 minutes from Instamart through Swiggy, and it's here. They also accept cash. Yo, so all of this, even a coconut, bananas, eggs, bread, curd, dragon fruit, some water. I didn't need to go nowhere. Like everything costs less than 400 with delivery.